Hello there. Welcome to another Star Wars action figure unboxing. Today we've got the Emperor from the Star Wars Saga collection. This is figure number 30, and this is Emperor Palpatine as seen in Return of the Jedi. The Emperor comes with Force Lightning, which you can attach over his wrists, as well as his cane. So let's open him up. For those curious, when this figure came out in 2003, the MSRP was $5.99, and currently on eBay he's going for about anywhere from $12 to $17. There's a nice close-up view of him. Get these little Force Lightnings out of here. Like they're taped in. Hasbro has done a few things over the years as far as lightning effects and how they attach to characters. Count Dooku had his from the Attack of the Clones series. I believe one of the Yoda figures also came with a Force Lightning effect from Revenge of the Sith. Here we can see his little Force Lightning wrist cuffs. Put that in focus. So let's snap one of those on here. So this is a fun little play feature. Obviously, doesn't look the greatest when it's over his hand versus coming out of his fingertips. The figure itself is pretty well done. The arms are on a ball joint. Not much to say about the head. It looks like the cloak has a swivel at the waist. Yeah, rubber cloak, nice sculpting, some nice, wrinkling effect. And obviously you can make him more or less menacing depending how you pose him. But yeah, they've definitely made a few Emperor figures over the years. I'd say this is probably mid-range. There's definitely better ones in the vintage collection, and they had the Emperor with his throne as a playset. But overall, I'd say a really cool figure. Definitely worth the original price point. So thank you for tuning in as always. Feel free to hit the like button and subscribe. And may the Force be with you.